guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is ciarahoneyFIT and I do videos on wellness and weight loss. I'm not a trainer or a nutritionist. I'm just a regular woman, a regular person that learned a lot about health, fitness, and nutrition through losing over 40 pounds in under 3 months and overall losing over 60 pounds on my weight loss journey. I'm going to show you guys in this video my brand new kitchen, how I organize it so that it's functional and pleasing to the eye, but also how I surround myself and fill it with healthy foods that have helped me lose weight and are going to motivate you to do the same thing. I found that no matter where I live, as long as I kept my kitchen organized and filled it with fresh foods and healthy foods, I've always stayed at my leanest and healthiest and fittest when I've done this. I hope you guys like this video and it gives you some great organizational ideas, and most of all that it motivates you to lose weight and to be at your best. All right, here is an overview of my kitchen, top to bottom. I am sipping on my coffee this morning. Okay, so here's my fridge. Forewarning, I just decided to do this video on a whim, so it's not organized or perfect. Here's my fridge. Over here, I just keep stuff for drinks, like these are mixers. My boyfriend loves anything like carbonated lemon lime, and I used to drink the Sprite Zeros, but those are so bad for you, so I've switched us over to these all-natural Whole Foods brands, and I like Zevia also as a mixer or just whenever. I'm trying out this mixed berry fiber infused water. It's a prebiotic. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you guys know how I like it. Some little Zvedka shots in here, mostly because they're cute and they're pink. I have a Lush face mask in there that I need to throw out because it's hecka old. Some almond milk creamer, wine. I got this during Easter. I can't resist. Cute packaging. I can't believe it's not butter is my freaking jam. I love that. I put it on everything. Got some ranch dressings. Oh my gosh. This is spicy pickled asparagus. I actually saw B Loves eat this in one of her mukbangs, and I'm obsessed because y'all know asparagus is a natural diuretic. This probably has a ton of sodium in it, but oh no, actually it's not bad. Only 6 calories. This is really good, and I think I got this from Rouse's. So I eat a lot of eggs, as you can tell, because they're high in protein. I have some grilled chicken that I get from Trader Joe's that I've been eating on this week. Cheese. This is some PF Chang my boyfriend ate last weekend. I need to throw that out. Got my almond milk that I drink every morning with my coffee. I'm obsessed with this. I need to buy some more. Almond milk creamer. It's only 15 calories per tablespoon. And it doesn't have any dairy. It's only got 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of carbs, 15 grams of sodium. This is the GOAT creamer, and that's why I hardly have any left of this. And this is like still full. So I think I'm gonna stick with this and try to use this up just so that I don't waste it, but that's my favorite. I get it from Whole Foods. I love using a Brita because it does save money. I don't like to buy a lot of bottled water, but I do have it here for guests or when I'm going to the gym or just whatever. So that is my fridge. I do need to go grocery shopping for the week. It's at the end of the week, so I really don't have anything in here. Don't judge me. All right, here is my freezer. I don't have much in here either. This is some kind of drink. This has been in my refrigerator for like over a year. I think my boyfriend had this, and this was in my old place too before I even moved here. So this has just sat in my freezer forever. I don't know why. This is some green beans that look frozen that I need to throw out. This is something one of my friends brought when they came over and stayed one time. My Boca burgers and a little tiny baby chocolate chip cookie dough Ben & Jerry's for when the craving hits, but it hasn't hit yet. This is the TV dinners that I rave about so much. I get them from Trader Joe's. It's cod provençal with ratatouille and rice. And I love these because for a TV dinner, they're pretty healthy, 400 calories and only 340 milligrams of sodium. That is hard to find in a TV dinner. And it's quick and easy, so I eat these like every day for lunch. I honestly don't even know what kind of meat this is. Like literally, I think it's like elk and bison and like deer and a whole bunch of country stuff. And then this is a cake I made for him for Valentine's Day that we never finished and didn't want to go to waste, so it's in there. And that's all that's in my freezer. Okay, so if we move around here, is my counter. This is my cabinet where I keep all my spices. So up there I've got baking stuff and some other random stuff here, soup, these protein mug muffins that I did talk about in a video, almond butter, honey, coconut oil packets from Trader Joe's. I do have my food scale, which I hardly ever use now because I don't really measure macros that often. Down here is like all my most used spices. I love my Himalayan pink salt and my pepper. That's what I use most. And got some other stuff for when I'm cooking. Cooking spray, some more spices. Love my Old Bay for my crab boils. This is where I keep my meal prep containers that I always get asked about. I get these from Amazon and I will link them below. They're very inexpensive. They are microwavable, dishwasher safe, and they're easy to store and stack. So there those go. Just bowls and plates, cups and stemware. This is where I keep all my mugs. I am washing a lot of mugs right now, so it looks kind of sparse, but definitely where I keep all my mugs. This is pretty much decoration. I got these tools from Home Goods as well as the candle. Here's my Keurig. I usually don't keep this out. I keep this in the cabinet, but I've been drinking coffee every morning this week, so I just left it out. So that's there. In these drawers, I just keep like measuring cups, stuff for baking. This is my takeout drawer, so I've got my napkins, straws, chopsticks, all my plasticware. And these drawers right here, this is where I just keep tops and dishwashing towels. I keep my everyday supplements right here. I don't take all of these every day, but these are like my everyday, like vitamins, I should say. Every morning I take the same 3 supplements and I usually keep them right here. This is like my sleep vitamins. So I don't take all these every day, but those are more so like my everyday vitamins. And here is saran wrap, foil, Ziploc bags. And this is my boyfriend's drawer. We don't live together, by the way, and it's not that he's over here a lot. Maybe it's the only child thing. I just like him to have his own separate area for stuff. This is his snack drawer. So let's see what's all up in here. Little Boosty potato chips, okay? He's got all kinds of little candies and stuff. I actually did tear into these last night, I'm not gonna lie. These are really good. These are sweet Thai chili almonds. He's got some habanero barbecue almonds, peanuts. He loves chocolate, like Reese's. I'm surprised he doesn't have any in there, probably because he ate them all. In here, I just keep empty vitamin bottles that I need to buy more of. My meal plan. Down here is kitchen tools that I rarely seem to use. This drawer is my naughty drawer, I call it. Oh, I need to clean. I call this my naughty drawer. This is where Like anything that I probably shouldn't eat is in here. Just when I get that craving or something. These are 2 big old cookies and some candy. Usually there's these chocolate wafers that I like to get from Whole Foods that I'll keep in here, but I'm out. Down here is just some like different kitchen tools, my Trader Joe's reusable grocery bag, cutting board, all that fun stuff. This drawer is my coffee and tea drawer. I obviously keep all my coffee and tea in here, my K-Cups, my Trivia. I need to get some more. I put those in my coffee in the morning. I have these TheraFlu K-Cup pods, which is kind of cool. All kinds of different teas. I love these for when I am getting ready to, or my first day of my period, because my cramps get so bad. And my mom got these for me and they help. These are emergency with melatonin for sleeping. My favorite in the absolute world tea is this Yogi stress relief tea. It really does work, y'all. It really does. And then I've got some K-Cups. This is the coffee that I drink. If anybody is wondering, it's a Trader Joe's Electric Buzz coffee. So that's that drawer. This is also more for decoration because why not? Technically though, when I do have a reason to pop some champagne, I will pop this open. This is like a collector case and just some rosé wine. Up here is, this is my supplement cabinet. Okay, so this is where I keep like all my supplements and proteins and all my like health and fitness supplementation stuff. So down here I just have a bunch of supplements. I've talked about it. I'll link my video where I talk about what supplements I take and why. Here's my Fit Affinity vitamins. I've done a video on these already. I'll link that. I'm trying out this new beauty gummy. I got it from Walmart and it has like 10,000 micrograms of biotin. So we'll see how that works out. Also, I've been taking a CBD supplement for monthly wellness because I told you guys I get really bad cramps and it's not fun. So far so good with those. I really like them. Over here is my Fit Affinity pre-workout and shakes. I've also talked about those in videos. I have some blender bottles. And up here's water bottles, infuser bottle. Got some pre-workouts, BCAAs, supplements. Over here is my Skinny Mint stuff. I've got my fat burning coffee and hot chocolate, my detoxes, and then up here I've got that's either BCAAs or pre-workout, I think. Up here is, okay. These are my Peach Ring Smart Sweets. So I have a really bad like candy craving, and so I got put onto these Smart Sweets. I've been eating the sweet gummy bears, and so like as you can see, I buy a lot of those. I'm out right now, and to my surprise, I got home yesterday. I was getting ready to go buy some more, and I had like a little PR package from Smart Sweets, and I like almost lost my mind. So I'm fully stocked with their new peach rings, and so I just thought I would organize those cute and put them in my bro cabinet, or sis cabinet, should I say. Over there, got some more gummy vitamins. So yeah, this is my supplement cabinet. Every girl should have a supplement cabinet. So this is actually pretty empty. I don't really have much in here. Like I said, I normally don't keep my Keurig out. I actually keep it in here. So that goes right there. And then right here I have my Jolly Rancher water flavor packets. And this is my snack cabinet or snack pantry, which is also pretty bare. I haven't been snacking a lot lately. I've been trying to get bikini ready, which I'm going to talk about in a whole nother video. But I've got my Skinny Pop popcorn, and normally that's where I keep my Smart Sweet gummies. I decided to try out this organic watermelon jerky from Trader Joe's, and it is actually nasty AF. I've had this in here for like a couple months now because I just can't bear myself to finish it, so I might as well just throw it out, but I don't know. And then I've got my Skinny Pop. If you guys can't already tell, I love popcorn and I love Skinny Pop. It's my favorite popcorn. So yeah, that's that. Over here is my counter space. Nothing really to show over here. This is where I do dishes. Nothing much down here, just cleaning supplies and recyclables that I need to go ahead and take out. This is my dishwasher, which I need to put some dishes up. Down here I just keep dishwasher pods and paper towels. And then this drawer here is just like a catch-all. And yeah, that's my kitchen. Okay, so yeah, that's my kitchen and how I organized it. Nothing fancy or crazy, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I organize my kitchen and what I have, and maybe give you some ideas of what to do or what not to do. So yeah, that's my kitchen. That's it for my kitchen tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you liked it and you got some ideas. Also, make sure to hit the bell button so you get notification of my new videos. I've got a ton coming up for summer and I cannot wait to share them with you. In the comment section below, I want you to tell me what is one way that you use your kitchen to motivate you for weight loss. Because look, I need some ideas. As you can see, I've got organization going and I've got some motivation going, but I can always use more. So please comment below and let me know what else I can do to organize my kitchen and use it to motivate me for weight loss. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I appreciate your support and your views and your likes and engagement, and I just encourage you to stick around for the rest of my videos. You won't be disappointed. I love you and I will see you in my next video.